play Red, Red Valley. And he sat in the kitchen and cried, ran his fingers through 70 years of living. When the Lord is everywhere, our children drown. We were friends, me and that old man, like desperados waiting for a train. Like desperados waiting for a train. He's a drifter and a driller of oils, an old school man of the world. He taught me how to drive a car when he's too drunk to, and wink and give me money for the girls. And our lives are like some old western movie, like desperados waiting for a train. Like desperados waiting for a train. From the time that I could walk, he would take me to a place they call the Green Frog Cafe. And there were old men with beer guts and dominoes, lying about their lives while they played. And I was just a kid they all called his sidekick. Like desperados waiting for a train. Like desperados waiting for a train. One day I looked up and he's pushing 80. There's round tobacco stains all down his chin. To me, he's one of the heroes of this country. So why is he all dressed up like some old man, drinking beer and playing Moon and 42, like a desperado waiting for a train. Like a desperado waiting for a train. The day before he died, I went to see him. I was all grown up and he was almost gone. So we just closed our eyes and we dreamt us up that kitchen, and we sang another verse of Adam's song. Don't cry, that son of a bitch, he's coming. Like a desperado waiting for a train. Desperado waiting for a train.